Walls aren't just for decoration, they're the backbone of your home. They form the essential framework that holds everything together. They provide support, privacy, and protection from the elements. Without walls, our homes would be exposed to the harshness of the outside world. Understanding basic wall construction techniques is essential for any homeowner looking to tackle DIY projects or simply understand the structure of their house. Knowing how walls are built can empower you to make informed decisions about renovations and repairs. Imagine a house without walls. It wouldn't be a home, would it? Walls are what transform a mere shelter into a cozy, functional living space. Walls define spaces, giving us rooms to live, work, and relax in. They create the boundaries that shape our daily lives, providing us with the comfort and privacy we need. They also play a crucial role in a building's structural integrity, transferring the weight of the roof and upper floors down to the foundation. This ensures that the entire structure remains stable and secure. Building a wall might seem daunting at first, but it's like building with giant Lego blocks. Each piece fits together to create a strong, cohesive structure. Don't worry, we'll break it down into easy-to-understand steps. From planning and measuring, which are crucial first steps to ensure accuracy, to framing, insulating, and adding drywall, each step is important in creating a wall that is both functional and durable. We'll guide you through the process. With clear instructions and helpful tips, you'll be able to tackle wall construction with confidence. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of the basic techniques involved in constructing a wall. So let's get started. Whether you're building a new wall or repairing an existing one, this knowledge will be invaluable. Just like you wouldn't bake a cake without a recipe, you shouldn't build a wall without a plan. Planning and accurate measurements are crucial for a successful outcome. Before you even pick up a hammer, take some time to plan your wall. Determine its location, size, and any special features like doors or windows. Measure twice, cut once is a golden rule in construction. Use a tape measure, level, and a pencil to mark the location of your wall on the floor. Double-check your measurements to ensure accuracy. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in preventing costly mistakes down the road. Once you have a solid plan and accurate measurements, you're ready to start building. The framing is the skeleton of your wall, providing support and structure. It's typically made of wood studs, vertical pieces of lumber that form the framework. Start by cutting the wall studs to the correct height. These are typically spaced 16 inches apart. Use a nail gun or hammer and nails to attach the studs to the top and bottom plates, which are horizontal pieces of lumber that run along the top and bottom of the wall. Make sure the studs are plumb, perfectly vertical, and spaced evenly. You can use a level to check for plumb and a tape measure to verify spacing. Proper framing is crucial for a strong and stable wall, so take your time and get it right. Insulation is like a warm blanket for your walls, keeping your home cozy in the winter and cool in the summer. It also helps to reduce noise transmission. There are various types of insulation available, such as fiberglass bats, foam boards, and blown-in cellulose. The choice depends on your budget, climate, and personal preference. Fiberglass bats are a popular choice for DIYers, as they're relatively easy to install. Simply cut the bats to size and fit them snugly between the wall studs. Wear gloves and a mask when handling insulation, as it can irritate the skin and lungs. Properly installed insulation will not only improve your home's energy efficiency, but also create a more comfortable and peaceful living environment. Section 5. Drywall. Covering the bones. Drywall, also known as gypsum board, is the material that covers the wall framing, giving your walls a smooth and finished surface. Drywall comes in large sheets, typically 4 feet wide and 8 feet long. You'll need to measure and cut the sheets to fit the wall space, using a utility knife and a straight edge. Lift the drywall sheets into place and secure them to the wall studs using drywall screws. Be sure to countersink the screws slightly below the surface of the drywall. This will allow you to conceal the screws with joint compound later. Once the drywall is up, your walls will start to look like walls. Section 6. Taping and mudding, smoothing things out. Now that the drywall is up, it's time to conceal those seams and screw holes with joint compound, often referred to as mud. This process is essential for achieving a professional-looking finish on your walls. Start by applying a thin layer of joint compound over the seams and screw holes using a putty knife. Make sure to spread it evenly to avoid any lumps or bumps. Then, embed paper drywall tape into the compound, pressing it firmly into place. The tape helps to reinforce the seams and prevent cracks from forming over time. Apply a second coat of joint compound over the tape, feathering it out to create a smooth transition. Feathering means spreading the edges of the compound thinly to blend it seamlessly with the drywall surface. Allow the compound to dry completely, which can take several hours or even overnight. Once dry, sand it smooth using fine grit sandpaper. This step is crucial for removing any imperfections and ensuring a flawless finish. This step takes a bit of practice to get right, so don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. With patience and a steady hand, you'll get better with each attempt. The key is to create a smooth and even surface for painting. A well-prepared wall will make the paint application much easier and result in a more polished look. Take your time with this process, as it sets the foundation for the final appearance of your walls. Section 7. Finishing touches, adding the polish. This is where all the hard work comes together to create a beautiful and professional finish. With the walls smooth and even, it's time for the finishing touches. These final steps are crucial in transforming a basic structure into a polished space. This includes priming, painting, and adding trim. Each step plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and aesthetic appeal of the walls. Priming helps to seal the drywall and creates a better surface for the paint to adhere to. It prevents the paint from soaking into the drywall, ensuring a more vibrant and even color. Apply a coat of primer evenly over the entire wall surface, using a paint roller or brush. Make sure to cover every inch to avoid any inconsistencies in the final paint job. Once the primer is dry, it's time to paint. This is where you can truly personalize your space with your chosen color. Choose a high-quality paint in your desired color and apply 2 coats for a durable and long-lasting finish. High-quality paint not only looks better but also lasts longer and is easier to clean. Allow the paint to dry completely between coats. This ensures that the second coat adheres properly and provides a smooth, even finish. Finally, install trim around the doors, windows, and baseboards to add a polished and finished look. Trim can be simple or ornate, depending on your style preference. Trim not only enhances the appearance, but also helps to protect the edges of the walls from damage. It acts as a barrier against everyday wear and tear, keeping your walls looking pristine for years to come. Section 8. Enjoy your beautiful new walls. Congratulations! You've successfully built a wall. Pat yourself on the back and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every project is an opportunity to learn and improve your skills. Building a wall is a fundamental skill in construction and home renovation. By understanding the basic techniques involved, you can tackle a wide range of DIY projects and save money on labor costs. So go ahead and put your newfound knowledge to the test. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Section 9. Need more help? If you have any questions or need further assistance with your wall construction project, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified contractor or building professional. They can provide expert advice and guidance to ensure a safe and successful outcome. Good luck with your building endeavors.